Hi everyone. Today we bring you to our weekly insights on corridor modeling. We'll use a tab 3D drive-through, which is of a facility available in OpenRoads Designer. If you are not familiar with the Bentley Legacy product or its interface, I suggest you to watch the video which explains you about the interface of the OpenRoads or the Bentley other legacy products. Capricorn, it's a WinZero company and a partner of choice for AEC industry. Is one of the biggest platinum partner of Autodesk and Bentley, along with an authorized training center. We have 300 plus dedicated team members with client age of over 20,000 in AEC and associate industry. Let me introduce myself. My name is Viraj Deshmukh, Solution Specialist, Roads and Railways at Capricorn Technologies, Delhi. I will be presenting you with today's webinar. Here we will see how to use a tool 3D drive-through, which is available under the review category under the corridor tab. We'll see features covered here are how to use 3D tool, 3D drive-through tool, and what are its advantages. We'll discuss. Visualize the design at any time on demand within the modeling workflow and virtually drive through the 3D corridor model and virtually will inspect the design for any deficiency or physical conflict. Basically, it's the main motto of our this tool so that we can identify the deficiencies and any physical conflict or any uh, design irregularities so that we can redesign it or remodel it before the final design, before the final submission. Here we will see how to use a 3D drive-through under review category. Under review category here in the corridor tab. Once a road is designed or once a road surface is surfaced, so you need to see the more realistic visualization of the corridor. So OpenRoads Designer offer wonderful features to take a 3D view, look into variety camera angles, and show vehicle cells by using 3D drive-through. So here we have a top view here in our file. We need to convert this file or we need to open the 3D view. So in order to create a 3D drive-through as the name itself indicates, so I'll go to the 3D model of this file, or we can go using view attribute table from here, or we can do by right clicking here on a 3D view. So 3D view is already open. I'll change it to wireframe or something like that. This is the aqua planning, which will be our next topic to conduct for your weekly insights. So that will be an upcoming topic. So here we will see we'll off this 2D view because we need 3D view only. So now we'll adjust the view first. Although after selecting the tab, it's automatically opens the isometric view for us so that it can be visualized easily. But here I'm setting it to as per my conditions. So first of all, we need to select the 3D view and then select the center line you want to drive through. Once you select that, it will set up an isometric view for us, uh, and your camera control and a vertical offset or horizontal offset can be controlled from there. We can set the speed also, we can set the stations. We'll see it from here after clicking it 3D view. As you can see, it's asking me to locate 3D views. I'm only in my 3D view. So I'll select this, give a data point, and it's asking me to select a center line. So this, as you can see, this is my center line. So I'll be selecting this as a center line. And now you can see we are at the ground level, and this tool is now visible. So we will find here a general control, advanced control, and camera target control. So what is there in general control? We can play, pause, stop, or reverse entire corridor. We can set the speed. Let's say I want to enter the speed of 30 mile per hour. So we can set a station either, and we can set a steps also. We can go directly to the beginning from here, or we can go directly to the end of the corridor. We can step forward or backward from this using this tab. And there is one more option. You can see so you can set an eye. You can change manually the eye angle of our drive through using the given tab. So this tab is can be, you see we are going down. Now if I go move upward, so we'll go upward vertically. So then we'll go in the camera target tool. So what this will just adjust this, and you can see the offset of vertical the result of adjusting vertical offset. Similarly, we can adjust the horizontal offset also if you want to see the embankment or end, sorry, if you want to see the end conditions of our or any end condition conflict, if you want to see. So 0 is at the center. So height, we can adjust our height, at what height we want to fly. It's just a eye bird of an eye, uh, through which we can travel through our corridor, and the distance which we are to come closer or to go away from the corridor, that can be used. We'll go to this in this camera control tab. There is also one toggle on button which says use custom vehicle. So we'll click it on, and we'll go in the setting. So it's a cell. So vehicle cell. So what type of vehicle cell you want to describe? So let's say I have a bar scale of 10, whose distance from front axle to driver is 1. At this is an empirical file, so the units are already considered. It's empirical, so it will use 1 inch or 1 feet, or 3 inch or 3 feet. So if it's an metric file, so it will use metric and meters or like that kind of uh, units. So if I press OK, so now you can see here the bar scale of 10 is here. Our road is covering up to here. If you need to construct a road up to here, so then that can be uh, done. So as I said, this is a imperial file. So the units are in feet and inches. So similarly, if we toggle it off, so nothing will be done. And if I play, it will take us at the speed of 30 through our corridor. If I move my cursor anywhere in the view, I can pause anywhere. I can zoom in and zoom out at any time, at any position. I can stop. Again, I can start, restart, or resume from there also. There is a scope. So most, if I am finding any difficulty in this phase, so I'll pause my video. I'll check it for the deficiency, and I'll note it down, and afterwards we'll redesign this corridor as per our needs. So, and it's a very good thing in for representation to the higher authorities or to the decision makers. So that's it from my side. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. On behalf of Capricorn Technologies, we would be delighted to hear from you any suggestions or queries or topics you want to discuss with us. Please feel free to connect us on the given email ID or contact number. See you. Take care. Bye bye.